November 13th. Well, it's a gun blue steel afternoon. It's not winter. We got a ways to go to winter, but it looks like it. Well, I've debated about whether I wanted to go to the effort of building a fire for afternoon coffee, and I had one little piece of paper and my candle to wax, and it was pretty easy, real easy. So now I'm gonna, there's no, this is salt water out here. So you can't get water. All that water and nothing to drink. Well, this is the beach report in early November. I left town after planting a nice flower bed and some broccoli in the hothouse, and I took off to have a little outing, and here's the outing news. I spent 20 hours last week, spread over a couple days, at a nursing home where my mother lives and where my father visits twice a day. And this home has a couple hundred people and probably 50 people like my mother, who's 84, and we have to spoon feed her. So, seeing a nursing home, that's kind of why I came on a fishing trip. I fished a little. No, I haven't even fished today. I've been trying to get some bait. Not much luck there. I mean, it's winter. But I'm alive. And that's the main point. When you're alive, well, even if you're 84 like Mother, she has a lot of love in her life. My father's doing wonderful at 88. We had a birthday party for him, and his 20 of us showed up, everybody, and the grandkids and all. So, being an adult with a mother in a nursing home, you got anything going on in your life, way to go. Don't think you're too weird or anything. Well, I mean, look, I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, but I like ducks. We went duck hunting and quail hunting. We got a lot of game last week in Idaho, and I liked seeing the birds out here. I didn't bring a gun. I'll bring a gun maybe next time. But this is I think, would be my nursing home video. Wow. So, anyway, let's go back to the campfire. Okay, report, sunset report. The plan now is to get this light, this fire light. I'm only like 2 feet from the water. The plan is to get a pretty good fire going and see if some minnows, some bait, will be attracted to this light. Well, I got bait. I got some bait here. Took all morning. I went way down to a pond. Way down to a pond down there. These are mullet. I use them for cut bait. Well, now the bait is out, about 20 yards out in the water, and there's some oysters there right on the deck. Well, it looked like I had a strike. That's why I got up. So see what happens. Well, I've pulled out a nursing home camp. This is the nursing home kayak outing like I talked about last evening. And for the people I met at the nursing home, Cotton, who is 90 in his wheelchair, and Calvin, who is 90, and Lily, who takes care of Calvin. Calvin can hardly keep his head up, and his wife Lily feeds him. And even Alta, my mother's roommate, who is 1 year older than me, bedbound. You know, so millions of nursing home residents I've come to know from last week up in Idaho, and all the people who work there, and relatives who visit daily, Pam and my father. So I'm pretty happy to be out here. Well, I did. There he is. Woohoo! Nice fish. That's a big fish. Whoa! Big redfish. On the nursing home kayak trip, paddling the Tycoon Cat. That's a big drum. Woo-hoo. Beautiful Texas red drum. Ha! Woohoo! Yeah! Out here in the bays. Woohoo! Well, here's report 3 or 4 or whatever. And all I'm doing is just sitting here. I'm moving about 3 knots. Yeah, the tide is flooding, I suppose. It's going inland. And the wind's behind me at about 15 knots. Oh, I got 1 more mile to go. So I guess I'll just sit here. Just like everybody in the nursing home, just sitting there or laying there, waiting for somebody to get them out of bed or feed them. So maybe somebody at the nursing home can watch this movie. The great outdoors on the 3rd coast, which is the Gulf Coast, the Gulf of Texas. Maybe so. Have a nice day.